So today I'm going to show you guys a simple way to make Yoda's tiny little lightsaber. So you want to start by taking an old wrapping paper roll or similar cardboard tube, and I cut mine down to about 5 inches, which is a little too long, but all my lightsabers end up too long. So then you just want to take some silver foil and wrap that right around the tube. You can also glue on tin foil if you don't have silver adhesive foil, but this stuff is nice and convenient. And then just cut the excess off the ends. And then take yourself a bottle cap. You want it to be about the same diameter as your cardboard tube. And give it a coating of metallic silver paint. It's nice and silver. And then run a little bit of glue around the outside edge of the bottle cap and glue it right onto the bottom of the silver covered tube. Then take a 2 or 3 millimeter foam rectangle with rounded edges, put a little glue on that, and glue that toward the bottom of the lightsaber, toward the bottle cap end. Those are going to be the grips. Then take a large piece of 3 millimeter craft foam, or 2 will also work, wrap it around the tube, and then a piece of black cardstock, a little bit smaller than the craft foam, and wrap that around so the edges stick out a little bit to give it dimension. Then cut a rectangle with the little notch on it out of some 5 millimeter craft foam. A little glue down that, and you'll stick that onto that piece of cardboard you just glued on, cardstock, I should say. And then cut a square out of 5 millimeter craft foam. And sorry I'm off camera here, but that just gets glued onto the side like that. Take a 1/2 inch screw, or smaller is even better, but I had a 1/2 inch. And just screw that through the foam square on the side there. Then take a piece of 2 or 3 millimeter foam rectangle and glue that on the top side and the end. Then take 3 circles, big one on the bottom, small one in the middle, medium one on the top, and glue all 3 of those together. And then run a little glue around the open end of the lightsaber and stick that stack of foam circles on the end of that. And then run a little bit of glue around a bottle cap and glue that to the end of the foam and give that a coating of black paint so it matches the foam, just like that. And then you want to take some kind of a bottle cap or something circular. I'm just using a top of a glue thing here, coat it in metallic silver paint, and then I cut off the edge to give me this little double circle shape. So anything you can find that kind of looks like this, you can paint it silver. And then you just glue that underneath that rectangle of foam on the end, center it. Then take a oval of craft foam, bend it and wrap some silver foil around it, and then cut off the excess, and you'll just glue that right onto the very end of that bottle cap, the black bottle cap there. So it should be centered next to the piece of black foil. And so here's the lightsaber, and now let's see what Yoda thinks of his little tiny lightsaber.
Small it is not, fun size it is.